everyone. This is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and here is my granddaughter Lyra. She wants to do a coaster. Let me get this set up. She picked her colors.
Peacock.
We got some greens and blues, a lighter, and then we got a gold. All right. So Lyra, you want to put on your pillow paint? She wants to do a bloom.
I want to do it like all over. Like
yeah. Okay. Go ahead and put it on. You got to put a lot of that on. Stop. I think that's enough. I think that's enough. Let's see. Okay. Go ahead and start with our color. This is a custom green. Go ahead. Okay. Good job. And remember, don't touch the white paint with it. And here's another. This is Viridian Green by Lucas Krill. Whoops. Okay, there you go. And next, oh, this is a beautiful Deco Art Metallic Blue. Okay, that's a lot. It's very pretty. Okay, let's get it in the middle.
That peacock color.
And this is a mint green, aqua flash, and then pearl white mixed. Okay, put it in the middle. Not too much. There you go.
Oh, I think
Good
that
job.
was peacocky.
And we have gold bright fine.
Good.
Just kind of go like that.
Like this.
A little bit.
It's peachy.
A lot of gold. Okay, next is your cell activator. Do that. Wait. Let me. Where's my torch? Let me torch.
I'm not gonna go. Thing.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Just in the middle. Stop. That's a lot. Okay. Let's get this in the middle again. Okay. Blow dryer.
It kind of looks like an eye.
This is her eye that she made.
It's a pink eye.
One of the, I didn't have the resin yet, so I had put a glaze on top, a varnish, and it cracked. It made everything like crackle. Not sure why. But that's Lyra. She did that all by herself. She kind of copied me, and didn't that turn out great?
Yeah.
Yeah. What you did was, the black is here. You went from here, and then you covered the black. You don't want to do that. You want to just go from the black out. Turn it from the black out. Okay? So let's try it again.
3 layers and it's gonna be thick.
Let me spin this a little. That's a little thick.
It's gonna be thick. Yeah, I believe it's gonna be thick.
Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Not too much color, okay? You're adding too much color.
Okay.
Go ahead. Custom green.
Imagine.
In the middle. Just the middle.
Stop.
Good. Okay, just the middle. Stop. Good. You're getting the hang of it. That's a pretty color. I like that.
Stop.
A little bit more over here. There. And our mint green, that was, this pretty one is a Deco Art Metallic Blue. This is the mint green and pearl white. Stop.
I covered the bubble. I see a bubble.
And a little, not too much gold. Just in the middle. Just in the middle. Stop. Okay. We pop the bubbles.
Pop it. Bug.
Okay. I'm going to put this on so you don't put too much.
Okay, that's
Just like that. Okay, now this time,
it's a tiny pupil.
you're not going to blow this paint over the black. You're going to start in the black. You don't want to press down too much. You just want to kind of glide the black over the other paints, okay?
Okay.
Hold it like this. Yeah. Let me guide your hand.
Yes, finally.
Don't rush it. Take your time. Ooh, pretty. Good. A little bit more here. Hold on. There's a lot of black there in the middle, so let's go straight down in
Said
there.
not over.
I know. There you go. That's good.
Pizza. Are you gonna make swirlies?
No, I think this is going to be pretty.
Elsa's in there.
That's okay. Okay, let's just let it, we have to wait a minute or two, okay?
1, 2,
Before
3,
we spin out.
5, 6, 7. Oh, I forgot we spin. It's
Pretty
kind
colors.
of like trees, like in a circle with so many branches.
Oh, mommy.
Yeah, babe.
Is that fire thing, that bubbling thing, does the fire come out of it?
It does.
But I thought it
It's a torch.
was fire.
Torch.
Okay, let's see. Let's scoot this over a little bit. Stand up. I don't want to get you paint on you. No, like a. Okay, go ahead and spin it now.
What the heck? Oh my
Slowly.
gosh!
Slowly.
That kind of looks like.
It looks like a flower or something.
Yeah.
Okay, slowly.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me. Hold on.
Ooh, that now doesn't look good.
No, that's okay.
It kind of looks like a peacock.
Okay, spin it, but not quite so fast.
Oh my gosh, what is wrong
It's okay.
with this?
No, it's good. Look how pretty that is.
Peacock!
That's very pretty, Lyra. Do
Perfect.
you like that?
Yeah.
All right. I think we'll stop there.
Yep.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, let's clean you up. All right, we are ready to go again, this time with Mikey. Mikey, say hi. Mikey's 4. He wants to also do a bloom. Okay, these are the colors he picked. We have this custom kind of ready orange. We have Liquitex fluorescent blue and Amsterdam yellowish green. Okay, let's put on some pillow paint. Mikey, help me put on the pillow paint. There you go. Squeeze it. Stop. Good, good, good,
That's
good.
a lot.
That's not too much. It's just right. Well, let's put on a little bit more, I think. All right. Now, let's put on this red. You're going to squirt it right in the middle, okay? Squirt. Oh! And nothing. And now the fluorescent blue.
And top.
Yep. Go ahead. Squeeze. Oh, did I open it? I didn't open it. Okay, go ahead.
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle. Go ahead. Squeeze. Oh, there we go.
It went like a turd. But what about the black paint?
Oh, first we have to put this on. This is Amsterdam's yellowish green. Right in the middle. A little bit more. Good. Good job. Okay. Our cell activator is oxide black using Australian Floetrol. Now, let me pop a bubble. Let's get it in the middle.
How's the paint on that?
Scoot over a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now I'll put this on just so you don't put on too much.
That kind of looks like blue.
Okay. Are you ready to blow it out? Using the world's smallest blow dryer. Okay, Mikey.
It could be smaller.
Hold it like this. Right hand, like this. It will help you. Okay, let's turn it.
Ooh. Pretty.
That didn't sell up very well. I wonder
Pretty.
why.
Pretty still.
I think we need to redo it.
Why?
The colors, something's not going on right.
I think we need to add another color.
Okay. Okay, we're not going to use that green. I think that might
about that orange?
No,
Why?
these three colors will be nice.
Because it won't turn out good?
Let's try.
Oh, wait.
Okay, well, let's do the red again. Okay, right in the middle. Squeeze. Oh, a little bit more. Okay, that's not the middle though. Let's scoot it over in the middle.
That is
Now that's the middle. Okay, that's the custom color. Now this is Liquitex fluorescent blue, right on in the middle of that. Good. And now this is light turquoise. Not sure who it's by. I think I kind of made a custom. Okay.
now what?
Let's see. Do you want any other colors or is that good?
More color.
More colors? Let's put a, no. Let's see. Let's put a little bit purple. You want a little bit purple?
I can get purple.
No, we got it. This is Liquitex Deep Violet. Let me shake it up. Hold on, kind of shake it up. Go ahead. Just not too much of this, okay?
Wow.
Stop.
Wow.
Okay, now we're going to use the black cell activator. I'll put that on. Wait, I see bubbles underneath. Okay.
Looks like an eyeball.
It does look like an eyeball. All right. You ready? Your other hand, you're right-handed. Let me turn it on first. Let me help you. No. Put it over. Right hand.
Huh?
Ready.
Can we bring it home today?
Oh, we have to let it dry. That's really pretty.
Ooh. Ooh. Are we done now?
That's really pretty. No, you're gonna have to spin it out, but we need to wait a minute.
You pop the bubbles. Eat. Dory.
Just one little. Okay. Let's see.
That's pretty.
Okay, now when we spin this, we're not gonna spin it too hard
Why?
because paint will go flying all over us. Let me clean this up. That's really pretty color. Let me clean the bottles off.
Those two colors put together.
Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, are you ready to spit it out? Okay, not too fast, okay? Oh, a little more than that. Go ahead. Let's do it faster than that.
I peel off.
That's okay. It's really pretty. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Look at that, Mikey. It's pretty. A little bit more.
Ooh, looks like a flower now. Because the thing. Okay. Now it looks like.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty, Mikey. You like that? It does. Look, it's a beautiful flower. All right. Are you happy with it? Yeah?
Now we're done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say goodbye to the...
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.